Hey, Mom.
Hey kid, I wrote this for you. Read it.
There comes a time in your life when you have to accept the fact that the world isn't so bright and colorful. It is not a canary yellow, but a gray. That gray that you lock yourself in, that you contradict, that you hide in. The world isn't so righteous, good, or full of potential. Maybe you'll stop lying to yourself, and maybe you'll realize the world is completely black and white. And that's what I like to call a paradox. Since I'm the only person that's ever found that out, and I had to go in circles to realize it, to realize all I needed to do was to wake up. Mom! Mom! No! Wake up! Mom! Come on! We gotta get out of here!
Hey kid, are you okay?
Mom! It was that moment to set me on the right path.
I apologize for my appearance. There's a slight mishap after retrieving the briefcase. It has been taken care of.
Don't mention it. No. Before I tell you the news. Did you wonder why I gave you the call and sent you to get the briefcase?
Yes, I have been wondering what's in the briefcase.
That is no ordinary briefcase, my son. That is what I like to call a record of time. I sent you there because I knew at the point you would be successful in retrieving it. It would be the only thing that I have left. A record of my time. You know I'm shutting it down. Everything.
What do you mean?
I mean, I have disbanded this organization. There's no need for you. I reward you for your service to me by allowing you to be free, to now make your own choices. You picked up the call. It happened to be your last one. At least I get to say goodbye to you face to face. You've grown so much since I took you from that car wreckage.
No, you can't do this. This is my everything. I know you lied to me. This is not what I thought it would be. I guess I made a mistake.
No, you didn't. I'm not in your debt, and you have been paid off from mine.
I've given you all the money you could ever want. It's over.
Give me the briefcase. I'm running out of time. What are you doing? No!
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.